How to trim audio in Instagram Edits app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Edits app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to trim the audio, let's create a new project. Tap on this plus icon. Now select the video or photos which you want to edit. On top of this, you can add an audio to this. Select your preferred audio, or you can even import the audio from your files. Let's say I'll add this audio to the file. Tap on next. If you play this, the audio is being played too. Now if you want to trim this audio, what you need to do is, you need to tap on this audio file and drag to the point from where you want to start trimming and select the split option over here. Now drag to the another part until where you want to trim the audio and select the split option again. As you can see, this audio has been divided into 3 parts. Now select the part that you want to delete and tap on this delete option over here. So that's it. That's how you can easily trim audio in Instagram Edits app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.